Hey beautiful people, happy Saturday. So your girl's getting ready for the weekend. I have some stuff going on. It's a special friend's birthday. Happy birthday. So I'm packing up right now. Tonight we're going bowling. Tonight we're going bowling for his birthday. And then we're going to the room. Oh, rewind. Okay, so I'm rushing because he's on his way to get me so we can go check into the room and drop off our stuff. And then we're gonna come back here and like rest up before we get ready to go bowling. We're going bowling tonight. So yes, and then we're gonna go back to the room after. And then tomorrow we're going to Catalina Island. Both of our first time. So yeah, we're just gonna be out there all day. And we're gonna come back and go back to the room. Maybe have dinner out here, maybe out there. But yeah, I just want to come and show you guys some stuff that I packed and what I'm going to wear today. Because it's like a best costume at the bowling alley or whatever. Well, not at the bowling alley, but for his party, we're going to do like a little best costume. So yeah, I might be a little hippie today. So we're going to see. I just want to show you his gift. But yeah, that's it. So this is my bag, and this is what I want to wear. Some bell bottoms. Okay. I'm going to make it hippie, y'all. Now, this is the birthday bag. I thought it was real cute. This is a Lakers hat and a Rams hoodie. And this is my watch, but I got him the same kind. It's a Timex, but I got him one in black because he wanted a black watch. So yeah, I really love these watches. It's like the old school watches, y'all. You know. If you don't, that's just on you. So I got him a black one of those. It should be here today, hopefully. Oreos biting my toes. Okay, and so this is his birthday card that I picked up. It says, play some beautiful music, shake your booty, boogie all night, which I thought was cute. And it says, just goes to show you what a good time you can have on Halloween. Enjoy. Wrote a little message, but yeah, real cute. And then I really like this ghost because the glasses, he always wearing these glasses, y'all. So, like, that's you, Rob. These are just some little decorations just in case. If we want to decorate the table at the bowling alley or whatever. But if not, I can just decorate the room. But yeah, let me get in the shower and get ready because your girl takes forever to get ready. But I'll see you in a minute. Peace. Y'all, just came before I walked out the door. Thank goodness. And it's by Cassie. I thought it was by Timex too, but hopefully he liked it. Yeah, I gotta go. So we back at the hotel, y'all. Same as the one that I had for my birthday. I'm about to decorate just a little bit. I'm gonna try to take some decorations to the bowling alley, but we're gonna see. But yeah, that's it so far.
Defensive mode. Look at my heel. Defensive look. Look at me. Like he need to get on the elevator with them.
Let's go down.
Yeah, no, he need to be in there with y'all. What?
You
What's up, Marty? Going on?
look at the costume. Yeah.
Where's your bucket?
please don't. No.
You worried about your nails? You guys need to stop singing.
Can you get a picture of me?
Oh, look at it! It's so pretty!
You say no with only drinks and appetizers. Okay?
Video. What you want?
That's not true.
Yeah, be doing it.
Yeah.
Richard, you want to have sauce?
Yes, please. People like you, they try to keep off the island.
Stay away. You wouldn't go.
I would get in the submarine.
I want to get in you. La pizzeria, where we go?
It's cute up here.
Life is not a race.
Did you get in the
Mm-hmm.